to development to projects to ideas are done as well as they can be and to the best of our abilities. And this is honestly one of my favorite positions as I get to work with every part of this organization. Why I do what I do is because I have been back home and I do see what the issues come with not having a stable government. There's a lot of advantages that we have here in the United States. We need to give back as much as possible. That includes taking our skills, our finances, anything that we have accumulated, and to give it back to people that are honestly our cousins, our parents, our sisters, who are just one generation removed in order to actually make a change back home. And I think my position here in this organization over as a whole can really make a difference. It's a rare occurrence to have an organization that is working full-time for the Oromo people, not on a voluntary basis, but full-time with people with different knowledges, who have degrees, master's degrees, who have knowledge that they are bringing exclusively to help the Oromo people. So I hope that you can support Ola in what it does. And there
Don't
are
talk to
several
me.
ways.
Don't touch me and don't talk to me. Easy, Abby.
Like that. That's good. As well as to come, especially if you come and work for us as an intern or a volunteer, to actually develop your skills for your career. Another one is to become a member. This is a small-time fee that is monthly or annual that actually supports us in the day-to-day things that we do. And we have a lot of advantages that come along with being a member, and we are continuing to increase them month by month, year by year. Another thing is also to donate as well as to reach out to your families, to your friends, to come to our events. There are so many options that there are to be a part of OLA, and I really hope that you start to be a part of our team in any way possible.
Oh ja, dat kan ik even zitten. Mic's not working. 나가. No.
Is the mic on? Oh, there it is. Perfect. Now you can't see me? Right, let's be seated.
Ayuh. I don't know if Esmeralda's thing's gonna work, so it
I want
might
to
be
start with the
shorter.
story of
So
three
it's okay.
fishes. Kurtumi sa hitures. Makan sani. Plan ahead.
Guru natin, Guru.
Think fast. And
What's
later.
the plan? What plan?
When they're in the river, think ahead said, I think
Yeah.
today I'm going
I'm
to
the banner,
swim
I'm
down
gonna
the
go.
stream. And think fast said, I'm sure I can think of something.
You were too busy.
And the letter said, lazily I said, I'll do that later. I'll think about it later. And then that morning the fisherman came and cast his net. Of course, plan ahead is down the river already, so he was able to escape. The fisherman was able to catch, think fast, and the later one, I'll do later, fish. When that happened, the think fast said, oh, think fast. And he pretended that he's dead. And the fisherman said, oh, this fish is dead, and released that one. And of course, the other one's caught and ended up in the fish market. So usually it's better to think ahead and plan ahead. And if you don't have the plan, it's better to be able to think on your feet. And the reason why I told this story is the theme of this conference, or the name of this conference, is A Way Forward. It's well fitting that if we want a way forward, it's really necessary that we have a plan or a way to move forward. Like they say, if you don't plan, you're actually planning to fail. Before I leave this stage for numbers, I'll say a couple of things. One, when we plan, one of the things that's critical to execute our plan would be to collaborate and work with each other. And I'm really happy to see at this mini conference to have 3 different groups coming together for one goal and come to a discussion table like this. And this is very critical in our struggle and our movement forward to be prepared and to work collaboratively. And I'll leave you with one last, I wouldn't call it word of wisdom, but I think what we will need to look back in what we have done in the past and assess what we're in today and move forward with confidence in the future. As the late great icon Haccaluu hundeessa said, what I think he's saying in that phrase is I think he's talking about accountability. Let's hold ourselves accountable. Welcome to the 2021 Moving Forward Conference. And I want to thank everybody, including our guest of honors. I know we have a lot of you guys. I will not go one by one. Welcome to this conference. And on behalf of all, I thank everyone and other organizers. I thank everyone for being here and enjoy. Please, Dr. Nardos, the stage is yours. Welcome. Thank you very much.